Hi, we're here at the IAR DevCon in Bilbao. I'm Rory Day with Open Systems Media. I'm speaking to Alessandro. How did you find the event today?
Well, John invited us on by mail, and we looked at the website, and the event sounded quite interesting to us, so we decided to come.
Okay. Were there any particular parts that were most relevant to you?
Yes, basically we didn't use the tool yet, and
Okay.
it's under investigation for us because we are approaching to a new project for an embedding system, and it's a medical device because we are developing dialysis machine.
Oh wow. Okay.
So it's also certificated by the TÜV. This is quite interesting for us, and we are looking into it. And I think at the end we will get this decision to use the IAR Wenchback.
Okay. Well, that's good news for them, I'm sure then. Excellent. Was there anything extra you feel they could have added today, or has it?
Well, the event was quite interesting for us. They show the powerful of the tool, how is the debugging and the trace and all this kind of stuff that obviously usual to save time to the developer team, make the easy and life easier.
Okay.
So for us, sound very interesting.
Excellent. Have you had to travel far to get here today?
Well, we get up at 5 o'clock in the morning to
Wow.
get
That's commitment.
the flight, but we really enjoy the event, so doesn't matter.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.